Hi, my name is Andy Fletcher, and today I'm going to draw the Alaska Railroad logo. The Alaska Railroad dates back to the beginning of the 1900s when the United States government actually decided to purchase the existing Alaska Northern Railroad and build towards what would soon be known as Anchorage, Alaska, and push a railroad towards Fairbanks. And the Alaska Railroad basically connects Fairbanks, Alaska, on south to Anchorage, on down south to Seward and Whittier, Alaska. And at Seward and Whittier, Alaska, there are 3 different sets of car floats that connect mainland Alaska to one goes to Prince Rupert, British Columbia, where it has a connection to Canadian National, and one, or actually 2, go to Seattle. And basically this is how train cars go to the mainland or the lower 48 and to Canada and connect to the U.S. railroad system. And basically a lot of supplies come to Alaska via the railroad. And also the Alaska Railroad is a very unique railroad in that year-round it operates a passenger railroad, which there's a lot of tourism in Alaska, as we all know. And the Alaska Railroad runs from Anchorage to Fairbanks, a very successful tourist train. And I've actually ridden the train myself, and it's actually a very beautiful train to ride. And you get to see all kinds of wildlife. I actually rode it in February, and it was very beautiful in the wintertime, and I could imagine it's very beautiful in the summertime too, as the scenery of Alaska is very grand, and it's an experience that we'd all like to take, and seeing it by train is actually very amazing. So that's the Alaska Railroad, which represents